everyone. This is today's problem on Leetcode, Toeplitz matrix. Let's go with the statement problem. So we have been given an n cross n matrix. We have to return true if the matrix is Toeplitz, otherwise false. A matrix Toeplitz, like if every diagonal from top left to bottom right has a same element. Like in this case, it's 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 5 5. Like all the diagonals are having only a single element. Okay, so we have to return if the matrix is Toeplitz or not. Like in this case, the diagonal does not have the same element as a matrix, so they are like not a Toeplitz. Okay, so let's go with the first approach. So in the first approach, what we can do is like we can iterate over each diagonal, like in this case each diagonal, and if we find like the this element is not equal to the number on the diagonal, like this is 1 and this is not if any element is not equal to this, then the matrix is not Toeplitz. So what we can do, like for this case, if we are on this index, we can what we can do, we can iterate all the diagonal values and we can visit the mark, like we can visit the mark, and if we don't do this, then what we have to do, like on if we go on this element, we have to like iterate this and this, and again if we go on this, we have to iterate the previous ones and this one, and again if we go on this, we have to iterate this one, like that will be like much of a complexity problem, and it will have a higher complexity. So for being less complex, what we are doing, like we are visiting mark all the indexes. Like in this case, if we have iterating, then this iterating, again this and this, we are marking all of them visited. And again, if we come to this element, we already have visited, then we will not be considering the diagonal of this. So let's get started. So first of all, like we have an uh, as the uh, row number and m as the number of columns, and we are making a boolean visit and percent. We are mean setting, like we have not like iterated either of the indices, and we are iterating over all the indexes of the matrix. And if we found that this index is visited, then what we are doing, we are like continue, else we are finding the values on the diagonal. So like p1 would be like this, p2 is j, and we have a num which is on this axis, which is this, and we are iterating while p1 is not equal to us greater than m and p2 is not equal to m greater than m. Like it should not be go out of the bound of the matrix, and if we find that the matrix p1 p2 value is not equal to num, then we are returning false, that the matrix is not Toeplitz. And again we are like marking them visit, that we are visited them, and that's it for this one. And if we have iterated all over the values and we were not able to find that the matrix Toeplitz, then this means that the matrix is Toeplitz, and this should be the answer of our problem. Okay, so this is like matrix. Okay, okay. So like P1 plus P2. We have to increase the values obviously. Yeah. So this works. We have got like 98% of the memory, 72 are faster. So I think this is a good solution.